Got a box of 2017 National Treasures. It's upside down, but now it's okay. 2017 National Treasures. The teams are on the left. I will go over them. You got Patrick with the Niners, Mike Henry with the Bears, Jason with the Bengals, Timmy B with the Bills, Brad with the Broncos, Jason with the Browns, uh, Ryan with the Bucks, Brad with the Cardinals, Jason with the Chargers, David has got the Chiefs, Brandon Smith with the Colts, Ryan with the Cowboys, Jason with the Dolphins, Timmy B with the Eagles, Mike Henry with the Falcons, Todd with the Giants, Rusty's got the Jags, Ryan's got the Jets, Brad's got the Lions, Packers, Steven with the Panthers, Ivan Chavez with the Patriots, Mike Henry with the Raiders and the Rams, Timmy B with the Ravens, Joshua with the Skins, Mike Smith with the Saints, Will Geist has the Seahawks, Ryan with the Steelers, Patrick with the Texans, John Lewis with the Titans, and Malcolm with the Vikings. Good luck. This is box number 4 from the case. Box number 4 is what we numbered. Break number 2. Break number 2. There's our box. Alright. There is our box. First card right off the back. You have 40 of 99, Joey Bosa for the Chargers. And that's going out to Jason Huddleston. Joey Bosa for the Chargers, 40 of 99. Then you've got Tyrod Taylor, 41 of 75 for the Bills. And that's going out to Timmy B. Tyrod Taylor. Next out of 25 for the Broncos, Von Miller, 13 of 25. You can see that second color on that patch. Hard to tell. 13 of 25, Von Miller. Going out to Brad Landis and the Broncos. Next pretty sick patch out of 25. It's not OJ, but look at that patch. Doug Martin, 10 of 25 for the Bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. Dougie Fresh. Going out to Ryan and the Bucks. Next you have a dual patch. 6 of 25 of John Ross. Little second color there. 6 of 25 dual patch of John Ross for the Bengals. Going out to Jason. Then we got a pretty sick patch here. 8 of 49, Matt Collins. Matt Collins for the Eagles. And that's going out to Timmy B. I had trouble finding that. Nice color, nice little patch action there. Next patch is pretty sick. And all these patches have been sick from this team. But you have 81 of 99. Look at that patch. Jeremy McNichols. Jeremy McNichols for the Bucks. Look at that Bucks patch. That is sick. That is sick. Nice patch. Jeremy McNichols for the Bucks. Again, not OJ. Not the OJ, but it's a sick patch. Alright, your next hit we have the booklet out of 99, 20 of 99. You got a Darius Stewart. Look at that autograph. A Darius Stewart single color patch. I don't know what the hell happened here. For the Jets. I guess I haven't seen a lot of his auto if it's all like that. A Darius Stewart jumbo patch. That's the number. Nice little thread on it. Out of 99 going out to Ryan and the Jets. The Jets, a Darius Stewart. 20 of 99. And next you have 25 of 99. 25 of 99 on-card auto, triple NFL rookie gear, triple jersey auto of Ryan Dobbs, Josh Dobbs. I think I said Ryan Dobbs for like 5 times. S stands for Swinson Tears. That's great. 25 of 99, Josh Dobbs. With Josh Dobbs action going out to the Steelers. And your last card is numbered to 25. 25 of 25, Curtis Martin going out to the Jets. That's a nice auto there. 25 of 25, Curtis Martin for the Jets. And that does it for the box. Solid box there. It's got some, I know, you're right. Damn near the whole box. Some nice vet, nice autos there. Sick patch. Alright, appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot. Like I said, break number 3 is up. There's about 8 left. If we can get close, I'll go ahead and play and we'll get to fill it. I'd rather fill it and keep it going. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.